So here we have 380 people willing to buy an insurance policy offered for $235. So for every $5 increase in the policy cost, they lose 10 people in sales. So we want to find the maximum sales for this company. So again, with any maximum problems, we want to identify the quantity we're maximizing. So the total sales is what we're maximizing. And this is very similar to revenue because the sales is going to be calculated by the number of people that we sell to times the price that we sell at. Okay, that'll give us the total sales. So to write the equation or the relationship for this, we're going to start with the number of people of 380. And what's going to happen? Well, we're going to increase by $10 increments and lose 10 in groups of 10. So we're going to lose 10 people in groups of 10. And our price, we're going to start with that, and we're going to increase the price in groups of 5. Okay, so there's our quadratic equation. We have our quadratic function now. We could multiply this out, complete the square. I'm going to calculate the maximum sales slightly differently. I'm going to just find the roots. Roots are going to be at x equals, so here it's going to be 38. And for here, it looks like it's going to be 235 divided by 5 is going to be 47. So it's going to get negative 47. So to find the p-value, the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is the maximum, I take the average and divide by 2. So the average here is going to be 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. Okay, so this is my x value. X equals 4.5 at the max, or at the vertex. Okay, so then I can calculate the number of people using that equation up here. So the number of people is 380 minus 10 times x, which is 4.5. So we're going to lose 45 people in sales. So we're going to end up with 335 people in sales. Okay, the price we get from this equation here. The price is 235 plus 5 times 4.5. Well, 5 times 4.5, that's going to give me 22.5. So it's going to give us $257.5. Okay, I think that's correct. Okay, so I'm going to need to calculate the maximum. To calculate the maximum the maximum revenue here, I need to multiply this together. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the number of people times the price. So I go 335 times 257.5. That's going to give me the maximum revenue of 86,000. So this is the maximum sales. Max sales is going to be 335 people times $257.50. And that gives me a total sales of $86,262.50. Okay, so what I've done here is, again, the key thing is coming up with the calculation that calculates the maximum, the quantity we're maximizing. Here's the quadratic, so I can find, in this case, I need the vertex now. So lots of different ways to get the vertex. We can just graph it and find the vertex if we have a graphing tool. We can complete the square, which I've done in some of the other questions. Here I found the zeros, and using the zeros, I found the middle, or the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is 4.5. That solves for the x, that gives me the maximum. So then I calculate the maximum, the number of people at the maximum, the price at the maximum, and then my total sales at the maximum.